Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to confirm if your NIN has been successfully linked with your MTN line and your Glo line in order to avoid SIM blockade. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your dialer. So I'm going to click on here to open up my dialer. So in this tutorial, I'm going to start with MTN. Just dial *996# and hit on send on your MTN line. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to type number 4. Then click on send. The next thing you need to do is to click on here again. Type number 1. Then click on send. Then, dear customer, NIN number is linked to this particular MTN line. Thank you. It's that simple. This simply means that your number has been confirmed linked into your NIN on MTN. Let's check on how you can check your NIN link successful into your Glo line. So I'm going to click on OK, then come back to my dialer right here, dial *996#. Then on your Glo line, hit on send. Then this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here, then type number 1, then hit on send, just like so. Then the status of your request will be sent via SMS. Click on open the SMS right here. Then you have this message. Your NIN has been successfully verified and linked to your mobile number. Thank you for choosing Glo. It's that simple. With this, your Glo SIM and your MTN SIM will not be blocked since you have successfully linked the two lines with your NIN. For more tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.